Hello, it's Meng from Crumbs. Today we're making Patongko. This is a soft and pillowy version of the adaptation of the Chinese donut. So we'll start by making our dough. We need all-purpose flour, baking powder, a little bit of sugar, instant dry yeast, and just a little bit of salt. We'll combine that together before adding in our water, which should be lukewarm, not too cold and not too hot that will kill the yeast. We'll actually end up with a fairly wet dough, and that's okay. That's the way it should be. So next we'll use a little bit of cooking spray or oil to grease our bowl. Then we'll cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and place that in a warm place and let the dough rise for about an hour to an hour and a half. Once risen, there should be a lot of air bubbles, and we will try our best not to deflate these. Next, we'll flour a work surface and turn our dough onto the surface before cutting it in half and then gently shaping the dough into rectangles. And then we'll cut those into smaller pieces. Once we're ready to fry, we'll brush the top of one with a little bit of water and place another piece on top of that. Drop it into the fryer and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure to turn it constantly in the first 30 seconds for even cooking. Once it's done, remove from the fryer and enjoy. That's it, easy peasy. Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit craftscrumbs.com.